This is our Discovery 3 Landrover, which we love, but recently we've discovered that it's leaking down in the footwell, and I think it's probably from a sunroof. So today we're going to investigate what's causing the issue. Matilda, hey Matilda, where is the drain hole on this vent, on this sunroof? Where? Can you show me?
It's in there, that little hole right there.
And is that why we get a leak? Because the drain gets blocked up, eh?
Yeah.
So, this is the sunroof, and there are little drain channels which are supposed to drain the rain away, and they go down through the pillar here and then out the front through the vent. But what happens is these can block up and sometimes even leak from here back inside, and they make it extremely wet down on the carpet down in here, and then so much so that you can see water underneath those panels sometimes. Now our car smells a little bit mildewy because I left this car out in the rain for a few days, and that's what happened. So now I'm going to try and fix it. Now you can see this carpet is a wee bit damp around here still. I gave it a good dry up, but it had been another couple of rainy days and I haven't been able to get it inside. You can see, sometimes you can see water down in there because it can't drain out properly. That's a good indication that you've got a problem with your drain pipes. Now this is the air vent, or the intake vent, where the drain tube's supposed to come out. So to pull it out, you pull here on these little tabs, and you can tilt it out of the way. Oh, it looks a bit gross in there. You need to take that plastic or this rubber boot out. Out of the way. So you pull the boot out and then pull this little foam insert out, which is damp as, and then that's where the drain comes out. And that shouldn't actually just fall out like that, and you can see in there there's a hole, and it almost looks like it's a purish pipe in there, so we need to have a look from the inside to see what's going on in there. Probably leaking inside. Now you take this bottom panel off by undoing a screw here and a screw here, and that drops down and pulls out of the way, and we pull this panel, which is up here, down out of the way. Right, now I found the problem, and we're just going to go in and have a wee look in here. And as you can see up in there, see that light? That shouldn't be like that. That is the drain tube there, and that's where it goes through to the drain outlet, or the air intake. Now any water that comes down there is going to go straight into the interior here, so that's why we get a leak, and I'm going to fix that. But that's the problem. Watch the next video to find out how to fix it.